Terra Luna Classic RSI on the daily time frame just rejected from the overbought territory around the 86% zone. We are currently at 63.55%. If you're heading to the Terra Luna Classic chart on the daily time frame, we've now closed one bearish candle below this previous resistance zone, which is not looking good at all. Now, if you're paying attention to the Terra Luna Classic liquidation heat map, you would notice we have liquidity positioned massively around 0.000055 zone, and also liquidity position around 0.000052 territory. So we are going to be coming back to that very shortly, and this is the Terra Luna Classic liquidation map as well. We're going to be talking about this shortly, but before then, let's talk about the 4-hour time frame real quick. Now, if you're paying attention, I drew an arrow here around this territory, around the zone of 0.000041 territory, 4142 territory, which is the territory I'm expecting to get a bounce should this correction continue. Then we should get a bounce from there back into this resistance territory right here, which we are currently rejecting from. You get, and if we are not getting an outright dump to that zone before getting the reversal, then we should just expect to pump from here immediately, tap into this resistance zone before reversing to this territory. You get, this is what I expect to happen for Terra Luna Classic, and I'm trying my best possible to be as sincere as possible, unbiased, you understand? So let's just go back to the liquidation map for the Terra Luna Classic real quick. If you're paying attention, a lot of positions are going to get liquidated by the time Terra Luna Classic gets to 0.000055 territory. Over $2.6 million worth of short positions are going to get liquidated by the time we get there. And if you're looking at the downside, over $800,000 worth of long positions are going to get liquidated by the time we drops to 0.000043 territory, which aligns perfectly with this our projection. So it's either we dump first to the 0.00004142 territory before getting a bounce to this resistance territory. The moment we are tapping into that resistance territory, I won't be surprised if we get an outright rejection to the downside. Because if you're heading back to the daily time frame, I specifically told you guys, the moment we start closing bearish candle below the resistance level, it is a red flag. Although we are currently getting a bounce from this territory right here, which was a previous resistance as well, which is now technically acting as a breaker. So the moment we successfully get a bounce from here, like I said earlier, we should expect the bounce to take us into the 0.000055 territory, which is where most of the liquidity is now positioned for LUNC token, for Terra Luna Classic coin. If you're here to like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, destroy the like button. I think this is a great project and is going to perform well in the long run. But for now, we have to be sincere with ourselves. The hype you guys saw here was as a result of the CoinDex moderator wearing the Terra Luna Classic shirt, and also as a result of the legal sentencing we are expecting come December 11th. You get, so by the time, I think it's more like the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing. So by the time we start heading into that time frame, I will expect to see more correction for Terra Luna Classic. Like I said in the previous video, I won't be surprised if we get a correction back into this territory around 0.000031 territory. So whoever want to bag more Terra Luna Classic coin, you all can place your massive buy limit order around that territory, because from the look of things, we might end up retracing this pump. Let me repeat again. We might end up retracing this pump. Terra Luna Classic price is down minus 9.4% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is down aggressively to minus 6 63% in the last 24 hours. The reason why Terra Luna Classic is also correcting is as a result of the entire crypto market sentiment moving gradually back into the extreme fear territory.